victory over Kotoko is in the same direction. Congratulations to you, to Côte d'Ivoire, and to the elephants. As we all can see, this year has begun with the victory of the elephants. I'm afraid that over here in Ghana, this is a competition we much rather not remember or even talk about. But Ghana and Côte d'Ivoire are good neighbors, and we cannot begrudge your excellent performance and learn from the many lessons that AFCON 2023 has to teach. God bless the homeland, and make our nation great and strong, who to defend forever the cause of freedom and France.
Abusia said the only said Ghana, I would 67 Independence Day. Yabas Yadofu agree and our any beating common. If you come put him said Ghana 67th Independence Day. Any be moving common they are almost all side of opinion on better.
Yeah.
When you say a holiday, a holiday ban.
Independence is
Ghana found with the independence.
Yes.
Ghana 67th Independence Day. Who as a Ghana, you know, what is your side opinion? So far, so good. Why not what's them for 67 years, you know? You're quite any manasseh, you're catch on Yama before.
Okay. The prayer of this, you're quite an incacra.
Okay.
By a chisel, because a mixture of things. But here, Campa, I say, Ghpage.
Ghpage on Ghpage. Yama 67 or saying you from the beginning.
Politically, they are making progress.
Okay.
But economically, no. To me, there is a lot for us to do.
Okay.
Since the majority of Ghanaians are starving.
Okay.
You can't afford a square meal a day. It's your same, but it's easy, because day in and day out, you know, just like right, you know, how to assess, services in the system.
Okay.
And health and other issues. So, I say,
okay.
They're making some changes.
Okay.
A bit my America.
Right.
I'm at the downtrodden.
Okay. Okay. You better say, sending one message as a Ghanaian, and as a one message as a citizen. Message Ben I'll send it across. Yeah, Ghanaian is 67 Independence Day.
Okay. One thing is make us say Obia try now Obia joining hands together with the political leaders.
Okay.
So never be changing for the better.
Okay.
But right now, the media because of political instability is likely to take place.
All right.
Because majority of the people are starving.
Okay.
Right. Only few people in the system are doing well.
Okay.
And that shouldn't be the case.
Right.
But looking at the resources we have now, we should have gone far ahead of this.
Okay. Right.
Until
yeah, but that's about
right.